copy that link, and that is go to terminal and enter, and it will working. So make sure your computer has Docker file, had Docker, had Git, Node.js, and npm code, or any code editor you want, and run this script, and it will install the AutoGPT to the computer. No, I will do it now. Yeah, so come here. To do it, you just need to, yeah, cd clear a little bit. You can copy this link and enter, and it will automatically install the AutoGPT for you. But I already do it, so it failed to clone repository because I already do it on my computer.
Okay.
And you also can manually to clone the repository, and let's me open the link again in Chrome. You can have a manual way to install. So to manual install, you need to, yeah, you need to git clone the repository, and then you copy the NV environment info to NV, and then run docker compose updbu to install. It will be the manual setup. Yes, you
Awesome.
have on
May
this.
I interject for 1 second? Kit, I just noticed that our stream was up later than planned. So the request is, could you reintroduce our session for a moment, if you have a second?
Okay. All right. Okay. So, hey everyone, welcome to our Friday night build. I'm Git, and tonight we'll be diving into something really exciting, which is building AI agents with AutoGPT. What does that mean? Is basically we're creating a little AI helper that can plan tasks, act step by step, and finish a job on its own. Think of it as a tiny digital assistant. We have Henry here to show us how to build it from scratch, and yeah, how it can be used in Web3 projects. Of course, we have Robert joining here with us as well. So tonight's session is going to be hands-on, beginners friendly, and you don't need coding experience to join. And of course, feel free to join to the Google chat as well. If you have any questions, please ask in the chat, and we'll answer them as we jump right in. Um, Yep. I'll hand it over to Henry now to walk us through. And if you could, Henry, can you explain what is AutoGPT and how is it better or different from ChatGPT?
So AutoGPT is an open source project that make AI accessible for everyone. With AutoGPT, you can create, deploy, and manage continuous AI agents that automate the complex workflow for business productivity and personal use. So first of all, it's open source project, so anyone can clone the code, clone the repository, and contribute to it. And it have the feature agent builder, so it's a low code interface. You don't need to have the technical background to build an AI agent, and it have workflow management, deployment control, and it has some ready to use agent to testing. Oh, and I'm guiding you to install it. So currently, it's don't have the cloud version at the moment. You have to install the web list. So it has an open source version, so you can sell out yourself. So to sell out yourself, you have two way. First of all, it has the automate script. You can just go to terminal and run this script, or you can manually set up with first of all you clone the project, and then you will cd to the AutoGPT platform and copy the MV, and then run the Docker to build. So after you finish the setup, you can go to localhost 3000, and you can see the AutoGPT here. So currently it's empty because it's sell house, and currently I don't have any agent at the moment. And you have it will be the marketplace. After you finish your AI agent, you can submit it into the marketplace, and you have the library. So library is basically your agent you're building, and build is a task for build the agent. So I will start with the build page. So you can see on the left side we have some like the first one is block. So basically it have the workflow will have a lot of block that connect to each other, and make it a complete workflow. So I will create a block, and we have some template here. We have add audio to video, add lead to campaign, add memory, add to dictionary. So it's on a beta. So I will try something very basic like Asian input. So let's see it working. Okay, so we have the Asian sort input. So what it do is basically user will input to the agent, and agent will do something for you. Until name for it, my name, and probably will be
So in this case, does AutoGPT already know or recognize all the tools that you have installed? Does it scan? Like, does it have modules like we saw with Crew AI or one of the others, so that you can easily connect it to perform actions locally?
yeah. So it have a lot of module, but you need to configure the API key for each of them. So let's say you have some module to generate image, and you need to configure the API for uh, replicate. Replicate is a platform that you to generate image. So I will start with something called text generator. Text generator. So it will be basic. Oh, let's say you want to uh, one is to write a blog about something you want to talk about it. Let's say I will be the blog title. So I will start with some use case. The user will input the topic they want to talk about, and then the AI will write the blog for them. Okay, I will have a variable named blog title, blog topic, and user will input that. And uh, after the user input topic, I will have the prompt have me to first post about, yeah, I will make it a simple post, and I need to declare a variable here. So I will create a new topic variable, and I want the topic variable will be get from the input from user. So I will get the result. I drag it to the topic, and I use double bracelet to put it into here. Yes, and that is so. Uh, what is the workflow do? People will, the user will input the value for block topic, and AI will write a post about that. Okay, I think I will save it and give it a name like test agent. No, block agent, and save it. Yeah, and then I run it, and I give it a topic like cooking B2 is privacy feature. See feature. And you can select between schedule run, or manual run. So you can schedule to run at a specific time, like run daily or run every hour, weekly, monthly, yearly, and because it's run in all in your local host, so it's free for you. You just need to keep the computer open. and yeah, it can like write posts for you over the day. And it's based on manual run to run one time now. So let's see. For the row, it gets input and then it go to the AI text generator component. Yes, and here is the output is here. So exploring the new privacy feature on in COTI V2. Yeah, it's something. I think the content maybe not quite 100% true, but it demonstrates the power of it. So you have the workflow symbol to input to write the post about, and then you can get the response to post to your platform. And they have post to Instagram, post to LinkedIn, post to TikTok, post to X, and post to YouTube, and I think they have something here. Post to Medium. Yeah. So after you finish the post, you can go and add a component to post to Medium, and you get the response. Come back to the content, the title, get from this title, and we also have the content format will be markdown. Currently, we have the markdown, and you can configure tag for it. Let's see, copy and privacy, something, and then you can choose the status of the both. So if you have want it to be the prop, so you want so you can take a look and publish uh, later, or you can publish immediately when AI finish writing. And finally, you enter the API key of Medium. So you need a Medium API key, and I will go to get it. Medium API, unofficial Medium. So I don't have the Medium API key to demonstrate now, but it's a concept.
So
So
for API key, do you need to get that from ChatGPT?
no, you yes, with AI text generator is use the API key from
Mm.
ChatGPT, and I config it already.
Mm-hmm.
And you have a lot of model you can choose from here. You can GPT with GPT-4o for less token using, or you can use something like GPT-5, or you can use cloud.
A lot of options.
Yep. Yeah, they
Yeah,
even have DeepSeek. I saw just now.
yeah. Oh, have DeepSeek?
Yeah, just now.
Oh yeah, it's not great because DeepSeek will be cost less token than
Uh,
ChatGPT. You know, I try it. It will be like 10 times cheaper than using ChatGPT for rate force. So basically, it is a basic feature of AutoGPT. You can
mm.
host your own workflow on the local file, and
Hi,
you,
sorry, Henry. Sorry. Just wanted to ask a quick question on the agent. So let's say if you use DeepSeek and you use ChatGPT, I mean, does the result at the end varies depending on the agent you choose?
yes, you need to choose the right model for the purpose. So you have
Okay.
and also you need to change the prompt. So it is a basic prompt. You can like write more complex and effective prompt like ask blogger or
Mm.
marketer, and writing, and give
Mm-hmm.
it some context to make it writing
Okay.
so it's on the prompting. So you
Uh,
need to make the prompt more
mhm,
detailed and
mhm,
choose the model.
So
And
probably something best practices are
mm.
still in place. Yeah.
yeah, so you can think some workflow like you can like write blog every hour and post to COTI Medium, and it's automatically and
Mm.
run on computer. And you can also have yeah, it have a lot of module to explore. So
Hmm.
it have I think Scrap, Scrap.
So
Yeah.
how do you know which agent to use? That's like for example, let's say if you have a purpose, you wanted to, let's say you wanted to do some market research. How do you know which agent is best for market research? Or if you have another one which is statistic based, the one you want AI to calculate statistics, how do you know which AI agent is best for statistics, for
Mhm.
example?
So I think it have three parts. For the one is the input. So let's
Mm-hmm.
say you want to write research, you have to know where you can get an input. So
Mm-hmm.
let's say you want to research on search Google. So
Mm-hmm.
you do some module for search.
Okay.
It has file cross search, Google Maps search, layer search, search people, search the web, yeah,
Oh wow.
and you can use a Xena credential, so you can add some query like you want to search about the COTI, and yeah, it is on resources.
That
And
actually makes me wonder. Can you do you have an indication if so? If, given the fact that you can search in many directions, would it be a good scraper? As in,
just I'm going to tell the next.
oh, thank you. Yeah,
As a
because it
scrapper,
also you need to be able to handle the data and store it, and yeah, so that's why I was
it has
wondering.
a scraper, so it can scrap the website to extract comprehensive data. So it's use the file credential. So you need to input the file credential API key, and you can, let's say you have 10 websites to crawl. You need those input file, and then you input the link here, and you can get the data from 10 website. So it's the first one, the input. So after the input, you go to the you choose the AI model to handle the data for you. And further, you can use something called AI model. I think it's a struct. Yeah, it's struct response generator. So it's basically it will help you to clean the data into some specific topic you want to mention about, and then you put it into the AI text generator to research for you. For research, I prefer using Perplexity because it have a strong
Hmm.
in researching. And after that, you can do some component to execute. Like after you research, you want to demonstrate it in image, or you want to demonstrate it in some kind of format. You
Hmm. So for you said that perfect perplexity is good for research. Does the is it updated up to 2025 or it's like updated to 2024?
So with Perplexity, I think it has the feature for search web, and it can get the updated data for you.
Okay. Like for example, if you use Grok, it's updated to recent. Like for example, like last, like it could be yesterday or even last hour.
Yeah,
Um, because it's connected to Twitter, right? I mean, sorry, X, right? So that means it's almost real time. So I'm just wondering if it's like if it's the same with Perplexity. Okay, it doesn't have to be real time, but maybe it's updated to maybe this year.
yeah. Perplexity have if you enable the search, yeah, you can see here. If you have the search enable,
Mm-hmm.
so it has set source for search, and if you enable it, it can
Okay.
browse the entire internet for you to get answers.
Ah, okay, got it. Okay, so do they have the like you just have to select the option. That's all.
And with Grok, yeah, you right. Grok has all the data of X.
Yeah.
If I ask on Perplexity some information about X, it cannot answer, but
Hmm.
Grok can be. So in the past I asked something like help me to calculate all the posts I do on the X in the past on month and in the last on month, and summarize it, and Grok can do it because it has all the data from X.
Yeah, so it's all the data, but also all the opinions. To be fair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, we have the some basic knowledge about AutoGPT. So it have I think it's kind of like an it end or like .com. It have a lot of component and we can working with it.
My
And
question would be, as we're on a COTI stream, does it have support for Web3 components? Can I use AutoGPT to connect to MetaMask, for instance, or to interact with a block explorer, or then base an action on that, for instance, if I recognize something?
yeah, so I have researched all the module and unfortunately we don't have directly Web3 component to support on AutoGPT, but I find something is yeah, I think it's very interesting. It's
You
code
mean you mean not natively? There's no direct block
ex-
available to.
it's a code execution. So that's mean you can run code on this reason, and if you can run code, you can connect to Web3. So
Mm,
basically, we can
Fair, fair. It makes it a little bit less low code for the starter, of course. Yeah.
yeah. So I tested it and I use AI, another AI to write the code for me, and I put into here and it worked. And we will do this. We will do this later. Before that, I want to explain. I want to show you some component I testing, and I think it's interesting. So let me create a new view. Yes. And it called
because it's good for Web3 because it speeds up repetitive tasks, right?
yeah, it's called AI image
Mm.
generator. So,
I was wondering, so you could, even if it's not directly a component available, if you use a scraper to interpret data from block explorers, you could still, based on that, set in triggers, for instance, for your agent. Can imagine that's a start in case you want to automate, for instance,
mhm.
event-based trading or something like that. Yeah.
Yeah. So we can do something like let's see. So it's on the trigger side. I have done that by using Groot. So I use I ask you the uh, I will create a Telegram bot and I have the code component to listen when user uh, the latest message from user and then answer them. But it will like it's not like trigger real time. It also schedule. Let's see if they have something that can trigger. Yeah, for it.
So another question in the meantime, I saw that there's, for instance, there's a Discord
I think they
component
have
there.
like generic webhook trigger
Uh,
to blow your output, generic input for the webhook Airtable stuff. Oh yeah, you have the Airtable integration. So whenever you like submit something to Airtable from it will trigger this data flow whenever Airtable emit a webhook event.
so my question, I had another question popped up when I saw you scroll. I saw there's a Discord um, component. Yeah, channel info, user info,
Mm.
read message. Does it mean, does it use your, let's say, account credentials
Yeah,
to go around, or is it like a separate user you need to enter via API, or how does it work? Is it
it
enough to give it my credentials to be able to scan my communities? Uh,
yeah, it's your API to do all the things. So you need to put the API for your account. If you want to use the Discord integration, you have to put the Discord API. It's
okay.
answer the question. So I think with the trigger, it has some webhook to do webhook. Yeah, it have Airtable webhook, generic webhook, and the book is into this yeah, nothing. Oh, okay, okay. So this one will be the webhook trigger. Okay. And I think I will testing for the AI image generator because I input their API key, so I want to testing it. I think it will be AI image AI table create record enable record delete record table web of record generator must trigger. Oh, this block will upload to container compat. Oh no, compat. So they also have something for shell keyword selection and shell related keyword. Yeah, Charles, check information. Okay.
Can I ask you something else? How big is the model you've installed for this locally? Because you had to retrieve it, right?
I haven't calculated it, but on the side they said you should have enough 10 gigabyte for the computer, and for the um, RAM you need 8, minimum 8, but prefer 16 gigabyte.
Yeah, I asked because I remember when the first versions of AutoGPT came out, Twitter went wild back then, Twitter, about being able to automate the use case of what ChatGPT was offering. Like I think first editions were in early 23. And ChatGPT, of course, commercially became a big hit end of 22. This was one of the first easy to use agents that gathered a lot of my attention, as far as I can tell.
Oh,
And I read that it became, let's say, simpler and smaller over time as well. That's why I was wondering.
so I read on their documentation, and it said, yeah, this one you will store it at least 10 gigabyte for free space with minimum 8 gigabyte. I will testing the AI image generator, and I think I will use something input for easier first. So I have the Asian input, and it will be from image description, and I will put it into AI image generator. Then yeah, I think I can like use directly here, so I can put the prompt in this my COTI dragon which COTI logo, and I can choose a model for plus and stable diffusion, and then I can choose image format, and I can choose some style from here, and then I save it and run the agent. Now I will give it a name like image agent, save agent, and we can run it. Yeah, input. Hope it worked. Yeah, you can see here we have the dragon with the COTI logo. I don't see the COTI logo, but we have the dragon here.
This reminds me of the Welsh flag.
Yeah,
I think it's Wales.
I don't know. It has a, I think it's the COTI, but it's a weird format. I think it's also I testing the AI music generator, but unfortunately, it's run perfectly. It can generate music for us, but the result is not good. The result, no, it got the error in AutoGPT, but it finished on replicate.com. So let's demonstrate the error.
What's the issue? Is there like does an API connect properly?
Yeah, so you can see I success create music, but on the UI it will I will see some error. So I don't know why. I haven't debugged it yet. So, but I will try to create something for us now. So let me create a song,
Yeah,
pop
it's
song.
Friday. It's almost weekend. Let's have some music.
Yeah, a song, pop song about weekend. Have COTI blockchain, privacy, something like that. And then I want it to be at 30-second duration. And I don't know what is top kind of the temperature duration. Okay, classify. The output will be using UAV and save it. Uh, yeah, now I run manual run and waiting. Running. So for the AI music generator is also you replicate.com
Mm.
for API and
Wait, so the music that is generated would be generated from AI, right? So it's not gonna be like licensed from other pop song, for example.
I think it is if it is generated by AI, it will it be licensed by another.
Mm.
So the AI generators are required to make sure that their set is checked and that there's an opt-in or that they're allowed to use the music.
Mhm.
Of course,
Ah, okay.
with forensic tools, you can the detection to see if there's actually if there's what's being used
Mm.
to a certain degree, and if they're not compliant, of course, they can be
Wait, so does that
prosecuted.
so what you're saying is AI doesn't generate music, but it actually goes online and like research the music that's not licensed and
No, I'm expecting you will not do that because the point is that as a if you provide a model to generate music, you need to
uh-huh.
give it a training set.
Okay.
Mm,
And if you want to be
uh,
compliant, you have to be open about what's your training set to make sure you're
Mhm.
not using copyrighted works.
Yep.
So you can't just let it loose on the internet to generate music for you. If you can, well, then it's not the company would be liable, let's say. So my expectation is if we generate something on the fly now, this video will not get copyright strike triggered. At
okay.
least
So
not with this tool, I expect.
after we send a message here is we'll be running on replicate and started we running create a 23 second ago.
Mhm.
So we are waiting as I running.
So it says Meta. So this is Meta generating music. It's one of their Llama models, for instance.
Ah, okay.
Henry, what are they using for this?
I use something called model stereo large model. So
Stereo
That,
large
yeah,
model.
sorry. Of course, Llama is an LM.
Oh, so that's Llama. So you're saying Llama is generating the music?
No, no, stereo large. The Llama is another one.
Ah,
we
My
okay.
have
mistake. My mistake.
so we
Uh,
have three music here, unless
all right.
because we generate three music at the same time, so we will.
It's 30 seconds. All right. Let's see here. I hear nothing.
Henry isn't sharing his audio to us, so his audio output is not coming through the broadcast, most likely. That's
Uh,
sound setting. Yeah.
okay.
I think it don't have lyric. Do I need to put the lyric on? It don't have lyric on it. It's just like audio.
So it's just instrumental, right?
Yeah, it's instrument.
Okay.
Uh,
We'll believe you that it's beautiful, Henry.
okay. And I think we go to the Web3 workflow today.
Okay.
And what I'm going to do is I will connect it with the COTI MCP and start deploy a token.
So in terms of Web3, if you do this and it says that it's going to be have this going to keep coding on repeat, so that means that you're going to keep writing smart contracts over and over again.
Oh, basically that it. Yeah, it can be like it can be create a workflow for
Mm.
that help you to interact with what
If
I
that's the case, doesn't that take a lot of token or a lot of well, you have to invest a lot of token into that
token. You mean token for model or token for Web3?
for Web3?
I it's the same. It's the same as when you call to in COTI blockchain. It's not much.
Okay.
So I'm thinking the use case it can be like uh we can we can create basically we can create a DeFi tool, something like
Mm.
that. Uh, it can like further it can go and check all the token balance, token portfolio, and it can go in succession, and then send the succession for you to Telegram. Maybe that is some use case you can do, and you can
Okay.
scale it to run hourly. Yeah, I think it's maybe the useful work case,
Mm.
full use case for us. And also, what I'm doing is I will create a Telegram bot, and if someone like typing, I want to create a token with a name, with a symbol, and with a decimal, and the AI this workflow will create a token for them.
Oh.
So it will be the basic use case when used with COTI MCP.
So
So
basically, if you're sitting next to your laptop and it's running and you sneeze, then you got a token,
Oh,
which is
wow.
published.
correct.
Imagine
The
getting paid when you sneeze.
one, two,
I think one of the seven doors is he has that role, right? It's sneezy.
log phone number, agent output, agent shot intake. Just the input single line agent time would get yeah, I think this one.
Well, we're joking about it, but in theory, you could, if you run an agent which uses audio input, you could tokenize your whole podcast like immediately and put tokens of it online to
I
commercialize
forgot.
it.
They have some awesome model I want to demonstrate before we go to Web3. It's called transcribe the YouTube video.
You're
So
teasing us. You're jumping to another. Okay.
so
So,
basically,
okay.
if you have like a long live stream, I see something on COTI Foundation. Uh, it's a video, 1 hour video
Mhm.
about Vitalik speaking about Web3 privacy.
Oh, look,
And
the channel's live.
yeah, I know. But yeah, we
This is
have
becoming really meta now. We're looking at our own channel.
and I don't have enough time to watch all of this, so I can just copy this video link
Mhm.
and I can put it here, and it can like get the total transcript for me, and then I can ask it to summarize AI to summarize for me.
Ah, okay.
So I move the transcript to
Alright.
place,
From YouTube channel. Okay.
and I can run it manual. So it gets the YouTube link as input, and it run and gets the transcript from the video, and then it go to the AI text summary. And you can also can connect with the AI agent text to generate.
Uh-huh.
You can ask the question. You can ask the question, and it will answer you based on the transcript.
And do you need to give it a direct URL, or can you say, given these and these terms, find me videos that in the transcript talk about topic XYZ, and then give me a link after, so I know they're relevant for me, just as a filter or something.
So you want to YouTube search something?
Basically, of course, I can on YouTube itself. I can search and I can have some filters on length and stuff like that. But it's not always like the content's not always fitting. If I'm going to watch, for instance, so let's stick with COTI. If I want to watch a video about privacy in Web3, and I'm specifically interested in, and he talks about garbled circuits, then I don't know if the video is going to contain that unless I indeed can search through the transcripts up front, for instance.
Mhm.
Is that possible with this setup, with this agent? Well, maybe not with this block, but with another block, perhaps.
Yeah, I think I don't see something like can you search to the or your YouTube link. So you have to input YouTube link directly here. And after you input YouTube link, you have the transcript, and you can work with this transcript to look if you look for the topic you want to learning about.
Yeah,
So
actually, I just realized you can just also just build a scraper first, who just give it YouTube links every time to look for, and then look to the description. Yeah.
you can
So yeah, you
see
could.
here
Yeah, you
how we
could. Yeah.
the summary report is about the privacy focusing on ethical efforts. It highlights so is a summary of the bureau. So, and you can also add some component to a text of text generator to explain the transcript for you. Yeah, you have transcript, you can do anything. It's, I think it's a cool feature for me to learning something new. And go back with the Web3. So I will start with Asian input drop down file inputs, and I will give it a token internet edit section reason colon it and no, it not input. I want something more specific. Asian short input. It will be more specific for us. And I give it a name like token name. So input user will input the token name. Before will be like some token. And then I will have something like token symbol. The default value will be this. And I have something for token decimal. Default will be yeah. Let's see when we run it. User will input three field token name, token symbol, and token decimal. And we need to execute the create token. So we do this by using the MCP server. So we have the COTI MCP server. So what is the COTI MCP? The COTI MCP is the COTI model context protocol. It is a tool for the AI tool can understand and execute transaction doing things with COTI blockchain. And to integrate to the AI agent, you can go to Auto and pick the agent you want to integrate with, like Cloud, ChatGPT, Cursor, and you can also integrate with the TypeScript and Python.
Mm-hmm.
And now I will using Python to using the tool called yeah, create mean private get private get private get private mean private transfer deploy private ERC20 contract. So this one will deploy a new private standard private ERC20 token contract on COTI blockchain. And I will do it by Python. So you can see to use Python, you need to install the MCP CLI and then using the snippet code here to load the tool and using the tool you want. and I will using some AI to help me generate the code. So yesterday I introduced you WAP, and I will be using WAP again today. Yeah, so
Became a fan immediately.
uh, it has beautiful UI and strong. So it's a web.dev. It's a AI agent that can help you with coding.
Can I ask you to zoom in a little bit because it's a bit.
It's a little small.
We're looking
Yeah.
at your beautiful desktop with all the icons.
Yeah.
Let's focus on that. Yeah, thank
All
you.
right. Okay.
Okay. So I create some script here. So it's the symbol create account of pi, and I copy it. I
Yes, so
go.
what were we looking at? You created a script for what to do what, and how did
Uh,
you make it?
is a create account with COTI MCP. So basically, I just copy this code and I ask the web to generate
Mhm.
the Python code that can create account. Call the create account. Just this one, create account on COTI MCP, and I will using code execution, and I set up command code. It's code here. Oh, it's too long.
Cool.
Uh,
What is it? Did it freeze?
yeah, I think I copy too much. Let's see.
Oh, so you
Copy.
copy. All right. And oh, okay, that's good now. All right. Save.
To make it work, you have to install. The big influence. Yeah, then copy it and come right with our AI. Let's close it. Press the command, and that it will create a new account for us.
Mm-hmm.
It That's the command. Manual run queue running.
Okay.
So it's create a new account, COTI
Okay.
account, thread with private key and budget account with generate AS key.
Okay.
Now I will go to WAF and add this to have me try as close. When I open full screen, it hard to click on the icon. Let me write a new script, Python script. I want to specify to use create. I don't know. Let's check again. I will want to use the deploy private ESC on track. Yes, on to crawl to use private deploy private internet on OpenSTB. Yeah, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
And
So, do you need to give
sure.
it something like a indication from this is what I mean from the COTI docs to do this, or to
Uh,
interpret it?
I clone the COTI LCB repository, so now we have originally it one. So you can see on Smittery, Davi Bauer COTI LCB. You have the source code of COTI MCP here, and you should clone it and ask the AI inside this repository.
Mm-hmm.
So it have all the context you want. Now it create based on this emotion. I can now symbol create account. This is 41. Yeah. Currently, I use Cloud for Sonnet. but if it's not working, I will change to 4.1 Opus. I think 4.1 is still better. And I upgrade to Pro. I
Wow.
I surprised after the live stream yesterday.
Ah, so you must have used up from yesterday's live stream.
Yes,
Uh,
now I'm Pro
You
user.
power user.
Yeah.
Calvin abused everything from from you, all the tokens, everything gone.
Yes, let's play my co-casters. All of
And I see is create a new file. I just save it and see why did it deploy private ERC20 token. Uh, ERC20 look good. I will copy it and come back to our AutoGPT. I will clone this.
So,
It's take a little bit long.
uh,
Yeah, I did it.
okay.
And I will change the script to a script, save it using Python.
Uh-huh.
Uh, and currently, I will only stick with the hard code with the name. Token name will be test token, demo coin, and privacy coin. Liquidity plan define example. Oh, choice is why it give me three options.
Mm-hmm.
Print one, print two, quick sample, custom deprecation only. Yeah, I need to change something.
Um.
It's have to symbol deploy. This one will be better. It will be symbol private ERC20 token deploy. It only has the community token symbols as free on the account. Again, privacy. Use transfer. Yes, some it will be better. So basically, it creates a two script for me. One is deploy private ERC20 and one is symbol deploy ERC20. Uh, and I will using the second script for create one token. And I will run again. And I think I don't need the create account anymore. I just want to demonstrate we can iterate with the COTI MCP through the code
But,
execute.
but the blocks aren't connected to each other.
It will be run side by side
Uh-huh.
if you don't connect. But
Okay.
if you connect, it will you can use the result of the first step to use
Uh,
on the next
also,
step.
you're running on separate results, right?
Yes, you can see it's
Okay.
on and it now run.
Okay.
So it's one instance, but you can run multiple, let's say, commands simultaneously.
Could
Parallel.
you zoom in? Like, I want to see what's like. Yep.
No,
Okay.
well, insufficient fund for instinct. For example,
Uh,
I don't have enough
token.
token
Uh,
on the account.
same result. Calvin took all the token again.
Yeah, now
Blame Calvin.
I will send some token. I want to see what's the wallet they use.
We're blaming Calvin for everything right now. Boo, Calvin. Boo.
Uh, yeah, Seth.
It's
Using
okay. I'm holding his miniature hostage. So
a ESC 20.py and got yes, what is wallet address so I can fund oh they have a lot of bytecode.
Hmm.
Let me see is run on simulating import no okay no Oops, it's running. Connected to exhibition technology. Yes, so you get information. Okay, save it. Now it updates the symbol, deploy. So now we get a symbol, get account info. Okay, so we can know what is the account address. Let's close it. I'll save it. Let me copy it. They have the separate script to get the info. So let me run the script to see the COTI wallet reference and then find it, and we try to deploy it again. Copy and run this script only. Delete it. Move it. It's stuck in stuff.
Please zoom in so we can read along. Yeah.
I zoom in a little. I zoom in a lot. Let me reload it. Yeah. Okay. Here it is. Store info. Let's see. Yeah. That's it. That's one. Value syntax. So I think it don't have. Let's try to copy this syntax. I think. No, I need to copy the get account info into get account info. Yeah, it's one. Want to run this and run this script, save it. This is one. Yeah, let it run. Manual run. Yeah, we have the information. I that. Yeah, put here. Invalid argument for 2 could not get account. Successful type. So account is on. Private key funding association. So we have the wallet address. And now we will try to send some token to it. We check if we have COTI testnet send token. I will send it to COTI. Confirm. DICT. Yeah, I think it should be enough now. And the copy is this one. I'll come back and change the script, save it, and run again. Manual.
So just so that I understand this correctly, basically what you're doing is you're trying and then you're trying to do this and then kind of like re-prompt it and then giving it a new prompt so that it gets, I don't know, maybe correct itself.
So basically, what I'm doing is, when the first time I run the script, it says, the account does not enough token, but
Okay.
I don't know what is the account address. So
Uh-huh.
I AI agent to write another script to check the account address.
Uh-huh.
And when I get the account address, I find it with two COTI, and I run the deploy script again.
Okay.
And now is create a contract address for us. So private ERC20 contract equivalent.
Okay. I
We have the
understand now.
distributed request transaction house.
Okay.
So that's it on the COTI scan. Just on this network transaction. Fail? It's on
Fail. So
over.
fail because not enough token, right?
No, it should be it should be correct, but it failed. I want to
Okay.
see if one server retrieve must running yes indeed. And we could why it failed because let's try again if I want to check what is the error. Save it and run it again. In the meantime, I want to see something about key. Recently, transaction hack, AI. It's still
Again.
good. Let me try on the COTI NCP to see the result first and then come back with the code. And it's block activity. And I want to create private ERC20 code test. Decimal will be S and decimal will be 3 and approved. The address. Yeah, it's only working. Yeah, we can do something like use from CUIL to
Yay, success.
was it not from the AutoGPT to do it from AutoGPT. Let me check with something. Okay. Upload here. So something upload the account. Yeah, I will try it again to see the CUIL. Just copy it. Mhm. Mm. That's the that's yeah. I want to see the request here, and we can replicate us. As you can see, it's a request. Uh, Now I will copy this URL and ask the agent to follow this. Let me create. Let me create a Python script to call this to execute this execute this to working. Should working
Mm.
with this approach. So let me Good thing. Auto approve. In the meantime, I think I will try to get the data from the user input into our code. Okay, let's see. How we can get input from Asian input into output. Can move it into here and copy paste and then push it into here. So we need root registration capability again. Video. Yeah, it finished. I copy it. What is the name?
Oh, just that part.
I want to see the name if I haven't. I don't see you deploy. See one. So we copy it and we change script to this new one. Save it. And with install, we use a big install request. Yeah.
Quite extraordinary that you can just feed it that whole copy paste basically in here and figure it out.
I need to zoom in a little bit. When you got crash on the zoom out, you should need to reload it. Change it again. No? Yes, doing that. And this pixel copy it. Oh, wow, it's a lot of code. Why they have a choice? Option. It had to click the small icon when the heater is just clicked. Okay. And now it have a simple script for me. It's better. Is symbol CRL approve. Symbol CRL. Yeah, this one better. I will use this one and paste it. Okay. Now we run the code. Save it first to make sure, and then reload it. Hopefully, yeah, indeed. Insert request. View reset. Library. Application. Open the computer. I'm zooming too much. I cannot see. I zoom in too much, so now I cannot click the run button. See me? Yeah. Okay.
What happened?
So when I zoom in too much, the run button is on the downside of the screen, so I cannot click on the button. So we can see. Yeah, now we did.
All right.
Oh, now we have.
Okay, but
Failed again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Insufficient fund. Yeah, we have the same problem. Again. Deploy. Good work. We cut features using it here. What is my trade now? There's a contract thread. That's my protein. Trade creator. It's creator. Oh, it's now it's only have. Oh, I use all the COTI again. It's now only 0.018 COTI, so I need to deposit again.
Yes, you need to deposit. Get Calvin to deposit.
So after two private ERC20 token deploy, I run out of token again. Now I will send
Calvin
it.
will deposit 50,000 tokens.
I had to find another account to send. Yeah, I think that's going to be enough. I will send it another two token. Another.
The faucet is open again, by the way, on
Yeah,
Discord.
I said a
So
good thing again. Oh, that's a good name. I just run out of 10 token. Let's see if we had two COTI. Yeah. Yeah, now we have two COTI. Let's try to deploy.
Yay!
Go
Wait,
to
how did you get to Cody? Or where was that? Where did that come? Did you deposit?
I have some COTI on another account and I just send
Okay.
it.
Yep. Diversify your investment.
Yeah.
Even, even it's in form of an account. Do it.
So I faucet because its account only had only eligible to process
Mm.
1%. So I have a lot of accounts. We have transaction head here, and hopefully it will work this time. That is different. Why? It's great. Let me use them. Let me check. Oh no, it's still the error code way. I don't know. I forgot to save it or something. But we still use the same old code. Ah, we're currently using the same old code. We haven't implemented the new code yet. Let's save it and try again. Run. Manual run. And now, please.
Mm.
We have something like expecting header, escaping different header, required field, access executing, escape here. Now I copy my copy field. Copy run the I run the silver CIR dot decline and got that error. Mhm.
Oh, we run so much code more than I run a bath.
Uh, Let me fix it. Fix. Let me see. What's new? Um, yeah, silver. Because it should be working. Let me check the code, import the class, import message, and run. Yeah, then the code.
Okay.
Okay. The customer is to enjoy fruit. Okay, improve it. Now it's using one. One. In the meantime, I will create a new agent to fix
Mhm.
the symbol deploy ERC20. Yeah, we can work with the multi-agent at the same time with WAP. So let's do it. Copy this. Yeah, it's better now. To the business is respond properly. So, let's see. Transaction. So the problem is the contract it creates successfully, but the response is not true. The response is error. So we should handle the response better. Okay.
Can you explain that?
So as you can see, when we execute the script 3 minutes ago, it's run correctly. We create a smart contract. But after we create a smart contract, we will respond to the server and it's error. So I think sometimes is something is broken with the response. Like they cannot get a thread or they cannot get the status of the transaction or something. We don't know that. And the problem is we create a smart contract successfully, but the response is not good, and that's why AutoGPT show us the error on the console. Now, why we trying to fix that first? Yeah, you can see here, and now it is now we run out. COTI again. I think I need faucet now. No, it's not. Let don't. Oh yes. Put this. Now with 10 COTI will be enough token. That's not. And faucet 10 COTI. Actually, no need. We just need. I just faucet. Just faucet. It's 10 COTI. So it's like our coding assistant. We talk to it. Run the deployment script can now it should work. Yeah, I think it's cooking now. Now we will copy the new code here and paste to our AutoGPT, and hopefully it's working at this time. Save, and we should save it first.
The keyword here is hopefully with any AI agent. So.
Great.
It happened when we buy coding, so we don't know the result. we don't even read the code.
It's like, unless your tasks are fully deterministic, the anything generated, of course, the outcome will be fuzzy still.
Now we have the transition happen. Let's see. I think it will work at the time. Yeah, finally, it's success.
Yay.
A lot of debugs with AI. So now,
Zero COTI though. Value.
yeah.
Yeah.
Says
Yeah, Calvin took the rest
Yes.
again.
That's why he needs to deposit 50K.
So we should demonstrate how we can integrate Web3 component not natively into AutoGPT.
Okay.
So we can do that by using code execution and interact with our COTI MCP server. And I think it will be the workflow. We can go from there and create a workflow for our use case. Do you have any feedback, any question, Robert?
I do actually, because you work with this one. You've worked with AutoGPT. You've worked with was it NAN Maker.com? We've tried Crew AI. We tried few others on this channel. I was wondering which one, because we keep experimenting with tools. Which
Mhm.
one would you recommend for direct interaction with Web3 right now? If you want to build your own agent functioning with anything on chain.
So, with my personal opinion, I think I will be go with make.com because it have easy UI and the pricing it I think pricing it good bet it bet
Mm.
it and then we have to pay first. I don't know pricing of and yeah, and then the pricing, yeah, you have to
20
pay,
euros. Yeah.
yeah, and you have to pay first and start free trial. But with
Okay.
make.com, if you make I don't like quite remember the what quarter, but you can use for free if you
Okay.
use.
So pretty
So
similar to ChatGPT, like you can upgrade to a pro version, something like that, right?
As
uh,
long as it's free, you're the product until you buy, and then
uh,
Uh,
if you have if you feel like I don't know, like I don't know, like 200 requests per month.
mm.
Yes, if you go under 200 requests, it will be good.
Okay. Calvin can pay for the rest.
And if you go with an event, you have to pay like $20 per month.
Uh, so just like ChatGPT, pretty much.
Mhm. And I think make.com had the integration of make.com
Mhm.
a little bit easier and than an when I try to integrate with Ice with Telegram. It had pre-made component that's working perfectly, like yeah, with COTI MCP Telegram. So you can see I can use an MCP client tool directly on make.com. I don't need to go with code execution. I can
Mm.
our MCP server and just select the tool I want to use.
Oh wow, I like the UI.
Yeah, and it has the MCP component
Mm.
ready, so we don't need to like do things like code execution component and trying to do things.
yeah.
And
Wait, did it come with that, or did you insert that?
yeah, they have that natively. I think let me create it. Yeah, if
Okay.
you go with free, you only
Ah.
do scenario. But yeah, I will try to edit that for you so you can see when you go to make.com. You
Okay, so they have something already pre-made.
yeah,
Okay.
where it is edit. You can go to.
Quick question though, in terms of execution, make.com or AutoGPT, like do you think which one is better?
So correct, I think make.com is better. But
Okay.
AutoGPT is open source project, so you can clone it and build it your own way. So
Okay.
let's say if we want to build something like a blockchain workflow that's specific uh for COTI blockchain,
Mm-hmm.
we can go with AutoGPT and build our own private workflow.
Mm.
So and it also because it's an open source project and you can sell host it, you don't need to pay to anyone for the platform. You just need to pay for API key when you integrate anything.
So are you saying AutoGPT is more friendly than make.com, or is make.com a little bit more user friendly?
Yeah, if you go with user friendly make.com is
Mm.
better. MCP, I think it on here. Yeah, it has MCP client here,
Mm.
and uh you can choose the MCP server you want to
Mm.
add. You should config the MCP server.
Mm-hmm.
There's a URL, API key, and that is you connect with your MCP.
Mm.
The UI is very easy, and you after you connect the MCP, you can select the tool.
Of
And
course.
yeah, the tool like with on Qt MCP server. This one I will generate yeah, copy this and go to MCP, adding MCP, select USP server, enter URL, and then create with Qt MCP. Save it, open, and verifying. and then we can choose the tool. We have like 35 tool here, like
Mhm.
create a decrease value, and create vector network, approve EIC20, deploy private AC, put the name, the symbol, the decimal. It's a lot easier than we just do in the last 30 minutes.
Mm.
Now we can do in just like, I don't know.
Okay. This is much faster.
Yeah, you connect the MCP,
Yep.
choose a tool, and
Mm.
put here. Yeah, it's so
It's
much
basically
easier.
just like answer all the questions, then click save.
Yes.
Mm. I mean, it's yeah, I get it. It's more user friendly, but this is not free, right? Like AutoGPT is costs a lot less.
Yeah, so basically it's free
Oh
because
yeah.
you host it in your own computer, so
Okay.
you pay anything.
Mm.
Let's see.
No, but when you run the smart contract, you would need tokens anyway, right?
Yeah.
Of course, with any form of execution, with any agent, you would need to pay the network.
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course.
Energy is you have to pay.
Yeah, exactly. Which Kelvin will foot the bill next time?
Yeah. More. I want to see the price.
It's going to be an ongoing theme. Okay.
Yes, the theme is Calvin foot the bill for everything.
Private update program. Yeah. So far. Why they hide the pricing model? Make.com pricing model. Pricing. This one. Yeah. Okay. So if you go with the free, you have
Mhm.
1,000 credits per month. So if you go under on 1,000 credit per month, it will be free for you.
Okay. You had me at free.
Yeah.
Uh,
Uh,
I think
I
that
think
about covers it. Yeah.
yeah. I think that's it from me.
Sorry.
I think that's it from me.
Okay. All right. Okay. So, yeah, thank you, Henry. That was a really insightful session. So of course, you can create an AI agent from AutoGPT. That plans, act, and finishes its tasks almost like a little digital assistant. Of course, thank you, Robert, as well, for joining us today, and of course, all of you who's watching right now. For everyone who's watching, if you want to try this yourself or learn more, please check out COTI Foundation YouTube channel. You can rewatch this, of course. And remember, you don't need to be a coding expert to start experiments. Just jump right in and explore. Thank you for joining. We'll see you at the next session, which is
Tuesday.
exactly. Thank you for watching and stay COTI.
Stay COTI.
Stay coding.